Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 6.4 question number 2. Question number 2 is here you see. Take any point O in the interior of a triangle PQR. Is OP plus OQ greater than PQ? OQ plus OR greater than QR. OR plus OP greater than RP. Let us find. First, we join the points PO, OQ and OR. Let us join. We are joining this one PO. Now OQ we are joining OQ and OR also we are joining OR. Right? Now you see this one. Take any point O in the interior of a triangle PQR. Is OP plus OQ greater than PQ? Here you see the question is OP plus OQ plus OP plus OQ is this is OQ actually, right? This is OP plus OQ. Is OP plus OQ greater than PQ? The question is OP, this OP means this side, plus OQ greater than PQ? We know that that the sum of any two sides, any sum of any two sides, we know that the sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side, is greater than the third side. We know this one. Here also in triangle POQ, there are three sides. In triangle POQ, there are three sides, that is OP, OQ and PQ. Here you know that the sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. In triangle POQ, there are three sides OP, OQ and PQ. Therefore, we can say that OP plus OQ is greater than PQ. Greater than PQ, because OP and OQ are two sides of the triangle. Here you see this triangle and this PQ is the third side. Therefore, this is true. Yes. Is? Yes. The question is yes. Now, question number 2. Question number 2 is the same way you can say that is OQ plus OR, OQ plus OR greater than QR. Here also we know that the sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. Here in triangle ROQ, ROQ. There are three sides, that is OQ, OR and QR. Here also we know that the sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. Therefore, you can say that OQ plus OR is greater than QR. What is the reason? The reason is that the sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side, right? Now question number 3. Question number 3 is OR plus OP greater than RP. Here in triangle POR, the three sides are OR, OP, and RP. Here also in this is a triangle, we can say that OR plus OP is greater than RP. What is the reason? Reason is that we know that the sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. The reason is the sum of any two sides of a triangle, the sum of any two sides of triangle is greater than third side, greater than the third side, greater than the third side, right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.